Going to the PM side of things, we always say the point of a PM is not to change the lube and change the filter.
Right.
It's to find things wrong with the vehicle.
Right.
But a lot of people mistake that, and they'll take it to a Jiffy Lube. They'll take it to, like the mechanic down the street when they're trying to outsource a privatized fleet, and they don't recognize the key point of a PM is to find things.
Yeah, it's the inspection.
Preventing maintenance, right? Preventing further maintenance.
Yeah.
We talk about the inverse square rule. The likelihood, the longer that PM goes undone, which is why we care so much about PM compliance and on-time compliance, the longer that PM goes, out past due, the more likely you are to have a catastrophic incident.
Right.
The more likely you are with a catastrophic incident to have a catastrophic outcome. Right. Either financially or as an actual threat to the organization. We've seen companies shut down because of a lack of risk management in their company, in their organization.
Right, absolutely. It's crippling from a cost perspective, but bigger than that, there's the humanity element. People's lives are in your hands, right? So yeah, I couldn't agree. And with that in mind, I really love our eDVIRs, right? I believe we're the only system that's DOT compliant that you can get out of a box attached as a module to an FMIS system, right? Yep. So, that's a key element. You're doing it, that your inspections are going the way they should. They're real time. You're getting defect alerts in real time, and you're able to address them, immediately. So you're protecting the organization, both, obviously from a publicity perspective, from a cost and financial perspective, and again, from that human aspect of, hey, people's lives matter, right? So it's really key.
I believe one of the key differentiators for our inspection module is that we close the loop on the inspection.
Yeah.
A lot of defects go reported, but then you never know, was it addressed? How was it handled? And this doesn't matter if it's a PM inspection or a DVIR.
Right.
We close the loop on both of those so you can see when the defect was reported, how many times it was reported, when it was repaired, who did the repair,
right,
and how long that stayed open. So you can get full defect to repair line closure.
Yeah, that's a great point.